Welcome in everybody to another 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, and this week we are going to be learning the important swing cut. So let's just hop right into it. Last week we learned a lot of different grips, so dealer's grip, which is what I'm holding the deck in now. We also learned biddle grip, which we're going to be using today. So on your non-dealer's grip hand, you're going to take your middle finger, ring finger on top, thumb on bottom, and hold the deck like this. Now to perform a swing cut, what you're going to do is you're going to use this index finger that's free to do whatever. You're going to lift up part of the deck from the top. So it's still touching your thumb, right? And you're going to swing over like this. And then you're going to take your index finger and thumb from your dealer's grip hand, and you're going to stick this packet into this crease of your thumb. And you're going to pull it over like that. Now, you can continue to do swing cuts. So for instance, you can still lift up more, come over here and still stick it in that corner of your thumb and pull over just like that, right? And you can keep doing this until you don't have any cards really left, and then you can just plop that on top like so. So yeah, those are swing cuts. You can do them fast. Another variation you can do of a swing cut is you can do a swing cut, and then what you can do is you can lift up just like before, and then you can take your index finger from this hand, which I do sometimes, on the back, rotate around like that, so that you have like kind of a rotation. So index finger down here at the bottom, your index on top, and then you just rotate on your index fingers to where it goes like that into your dealer's grip hand. I hope that you guys have enjoyed, and I hope that you guys have learned something from this. Please leave a like, tell us what you want to learn in the comments below, and I love you guys, and we'll see you next time in the next 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, where we learn the Charlie air cut. Ooh.